This is my 2007 Mercury Montego. I think it works for Ford 500 as well. Tips on how to install radio. So on factory wiring harness, there's this thick violet wire. This one is constant power from battery. So I connected to yellow wire, constant power from battery. And then this thin, tiny violet wire. This one supply voltage when start the car. When you crank the car. I don't think this is necessary, so I didn't connect to any wire. Now the auxiliary on wire, this red wire, this supply voltage when you turn on the key and it will turn on the radio. I connected this to this green and white line wire. This one is accessory delay wire or something. This will supply voltage when you turn on the key, and then when you turn off the key, it will continue to supply voltage for up to 10 minutes. On this car, it just shut off for some reason. But that's how you connect the wires. And then the ground. Where is the ground? Ground wire on this car is black and orange line. Ground on the cheap $20 Chinese radio is of course black.